Section 11.9, Solving Probability Problems by Using Combinations. In this section, we're going to pull the two concepts of counting and probability together so that we can start solving some more in-depth probability problems. So first example, a club consists of 4 men and 5 women. 3 members are to be selected at random to form a committee. What is the probability that the committee will consist of 3 women? So you want all 3 women to be selected, okay? That's your desired result. You have 9 people to select from. So keep that in mind. So when we do this, we're going to have to set up a probability situation, and we are going to have to find all the possible ways you can select 3 women. And we're going to have to divide this by all the possible ways to select the committee in general. Okay, so I'm going to scoot this up a little bit. We know in this situation that we have 4 men and that we have 5 women. So if I want to find all the ways to select the committee, then in the denominator, I'm going to have to take 9 combination 3. Because I have 9 people, but I'm only going to select 3 of the 9, and that's all the ways the committee can be selected. Now my numerator specifically wants females, and there are 5 females, and I want all 3 of them to be women. So that would be 5 combination 3. So I'll just use my calculator at this point to find 5 combination 3, and that comes out to be 10. And 9 combination 3 comes out to be 84. And then you can reduce your fraction, which would be 5 over 42. So the probability that 9 people total would all be females if you selected 3 would be roughly 12%. So not highly likely. Okay, I'm just going to do one more example because you'll see in your homework they just get a little different each time, and you'll have to just read through the problem and figure out what's best based on what the question is asking. So Jennifer has 4 Scooby-Doo DVDs, 5 Magic School Bus DVDs, and 3 Bob the Builder DVDs. If Jennifer randomly selects 4 DVDs for her children to take on a road trip, determine the probability that no Scooby-Doo DVDs are selected. Okay, so we're going to pick 4 out of 4, 5, and 3. So there's 12 DVDs possible. So first thing we want to do in general is figure out our denominator, which is the total number of possible ways to pick the DVDs. So we'll have to do 12 combination 4. And that's going to tell us the possibility, or all the ways to pick just 4 DVDs out of 12. Now, we do not want Scooby-Doo in general. So that means there's 5 Magic School Buses that we could pick and 3 Bob the Builders that we can pick. We don't care which of those that we get, just no Scooby-Doo. So there's 8 DVDs left that are acceptable for us. And of those 8, we are going to take 4 on our road trip. So we'll have to do 8 combination 4, which will give us 70. And we'll have to do 12 combination 4, which will give us 495. So out of the 12 DVDs, the probability that she will not have to hear Scooby-Doo is 14 out of 99. I like probability as a decimal. So as a decimal, that's a 14% chance that she can escape Scooby-Doo. Okay. All right, next question. So if Jennifer randomly selects 4 DVDs for her children to take on a road trip, what is the probability that at least one Scooby-Doo DVD is selected? Now, key word there is at least remember that we learned a shortcut on how to handle the at least situation. So remember in part A, we found the probability that she has no Scooby-Doos. So the probability that she'll have at least one is going to be 1 minus the probability of no Scooby-Doos. I would let your calculator do that subtraction for you. So just type in 1 minus 14 divided by 99. And then on the left-hand side of your calculator, you have the math button. Hit math frac. And the probability of at least one Scooby-Doo is 85 out of 99. Or if you like decimals, she's got roughly an 86% chance of hearing at least one Scooby-Doo DVD. All right, last, part C. If Jennifer randomly selects 4 DVDs for her kids to take on a road trip, determine the probability that 2 are Scooby-Doo DVDs and 2 are Magic School Bus DVDs. Okay, so keep in mind she wants 2 things to happen. 2 of them to be Scooby-Doo and 2 of them to be Magic School Bus. So for the Scooby-Doos, there's 4 Scooby-Doos, and she's going to pick 2 of them. There are 5 Magic School Bus, and she's going to pick 2 of them. And you'll have to multiply those together, and that's going to make your numerator. There are 12 DVDs, and she's going to pick 4 total. So 4 combination 2 would give you a value of 6. 5 combination 2 would turn out to be 10. 12 combination 4 we did in the first problem, it's 495. So you would have 60 over 495, which if you reduce would be 4 out of 33. As a decimal, that's like 12%. All right, have fun trying these problems. It'll be a nice mixture of each topic.